Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We're going to talk about the best gain deals this week over at the Dollar General. So we're going to be looking at pairing the 5 off of 25 with the 5 off of 30. If you look at the 5 off of 30, it's expiring this Saturday, so maybe we'll get a better one on Sunday the 7th. Fingers crossed, but this is what we're working with. And yeah, so let's just look at the rules. So the biggest savings you'll have is on the 6th, stacking the 5 off of 25 with the 5 off of 30. If you're going to go before that, it's an extra $5. Scan all of your merch to ensure that the 5 off of 30 and the digital coupons are attaching. Pay attention, use the Dollar General app. You need $30 a gain merch for this thing to work. Not all regions this works, unfortunately. Any issues you have at checkout, don't be shy to void your transaction. And just to show you one of my receipts, if you look at the 2 double S's stacked, that means, hey, it's working. This does work, depending if it's, you know, a $30 basket, a $25 basket, whatever they might have. I'm really hoping that they have a 5 off of 20 on the 7th of November. We'll have to wait and see. And also to note that 5 off of 30 is of a one-time use per store card, so it's once per month. Now, if you can't get your 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 to stack, you can always use this. So obviously this one is from a couple of weeks back, so you would need one for the week of November the 6th. But these print out, look high and low in the store. Maybe you'll find one in the parking lot or in a shopping cart. But yes, you can use this with the 5 off of 30 and it does work. If you're in the Dollar General on Saturday, walk through the clearance aisle or those wire rack bins, and then there's a lot of food. And if you see anything that's in one of my videos, there was a massive penny list and food was a big part of it. A lot of this food doesn't expire until 2022, so you have like up to a year to enjoy it. So I would go into the clearance section, scan all food items and see. Maybe something might ring up for a penny. And if you need a little bit of guidance, please check out this video. I will link it at the very end. I found, I think, like 125 pennies. It was a really fun trip on Tuesday. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to do is with digital coupons. So we need our 2 best friends loaded, which include the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. You need both of these coupons loaded. We're going to grab one of these guys for $13.50. Make sure to scan because sometimes certain cents do not attach with the digital coupons, so just to note that. We're also going to grab one of these jugs for $6.95. Again, can't stress it enough, whatever flavors or scents you're grabbing, please scan to ensure that the digital coupons are attaching. And then we need these 2, which is the $2 off at the top and the $2 off at the bottom, and you already have that center one, the 5 off of 30, loaded, but those 2, the top and the bottom, make sure you have them loaded for this little dealio. The next item that we're going to grab is 2 of these sprays. It's the Gain. We're going with the original scent. It's this double pack for $5. Look high and low. You know, they have them sometimes on end caps or what have you. If you can find these double packs, this is also working with the coupon, which is like a little plug and the oil for $5. So we're going to grab 2 of those for $10. And this is the digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. If you look at the exclusions for the plug, that is for the double and the triple packs, so the ones that are a little bit more, not this little single oil and the plug. Okay, so here's the mathematics. 1 Gain Fling 51 count is $13.50. 1 Gain detergent is $6.95. 2 of the FEBREZE Air Effects, those double packs, make sure it has the Gain logo on it. They're $5 each, so that's $10. Adding all of that wonderful merchandise, it's $30.45. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when I punch in my phone number. The cashier will press the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 will come off, along with the $7 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. The $2 for the Fling, the $2 for the liquid detergent, and then the $3 for the Air Effects. So you're paying $13.45 out of pocket, not including your tax. Before tax, each item is $3.36 per product. This next deal is with insert coupons, and it's for more advanced shoppers. You need these 2 little friends loaded, so make sure you have them both on your store card for this little dealio. We're going to be grabbing 6. Yes, 6 of these double packs. Make sure it has the Gain logo. It is the FEBREZE Air Effect Original with the Gain scent. Now, at home, if you want to open up your Dollar General app and scan the barcode so you can see precisely what I'm talking about, so here is the barcode for this product. Scan it or punch in the UPC to search. And then you're going to see what I'm talking about. We have a 3 off of 2 that's attaching to this along with the 5 off of 30. And this little combo that I'm always talking about, this is what you precisely want to see when you're scanning stuff in the store. So it's working. That's the one that's working with it. And we're also going to need 2 of these coupons from the November P&G. Now, for this little dealio, what you're going to do, guys, is scan 2, present a coupon. Scan 2, present a coupon. This is a very goofy coupon that if you present both of them at the end, one will scan, one will beep. And that's just how it is, because their cash registers are very old over at the Dollar General, and for whatever reason, these BOGO frees, they always get gummed up. So if you're not confident with doing that, this deal is not for you. So here's the mathematics for this one. We're grabbing 6 of those FEBREZE, so it's like 2 in 1, or 2 sprays in the one kit. They're dual kit air effects with the gain scent. They're $5 each, so 6 times 5 is 30. Remember, we're giving 2 to the cashier, presenting a coupon, 2 to the cashier, presenting a coupon. Punch in your phone number whenever you want to. When the final pay button is pressed, that's when all the math gets aggregated. So the 5 off of 25, 5 off of 30 will come off, along with the one $3 digital. So you're paying 11 out of pocket plus your tax. It shakes out each of these kits, or the 2 packs, 2 in 1, or whatever you want to call it, for $1.83. That is quite a bit. That's like 12 sprays if you think about it. Okay, so the final deal is a look at the last deal, but just augmenting it a little bit. So we're going to need our 2 best friends, which is the 5 off of 30 along with the 5 off of 25. So we're going to grab 4 of these guys. So that's going to be $20. So 4 of them. And make sure you're scanning the back of these value packs to ensure that, it's working with the digital coupon. And here it is. It's a 3 off of 2. Make sure you have that guy loaded. And then we're going to need 1 of these. If you present it at the end, it doesn't matter because you only have 1 buy 1 get 1 free coupon, so it will not make a difference. And then just to get our basket to 30 buckos, we're also going to throw in this guy for $13.50. I just wanted to augment the deal a bit because I know that stupid jog of like scan 2, present a coupon, scan 2, present a coupon. Some of you just cannot do that at your store. And then we also need this $2 digital loaded. Okay, guys, so let's take a quick peek at the mathematics for this dealio. Okay, so 4 of those FEBREZE air effects. It's like the value pack, as they say. So 4 times 5 is 20 on the nose. That one gain fling 51 count is $13.50. 20 plus $13.50 is $33.50. Punch in your phone number as the cashier is scanning your merchandise. And then you're going to present that one BOGO free coupon before the cashier presses the final pay button. Cashier will scan it. Then the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 will come off, along with the $2 for the flings and then the 3 off of 2 for the FEBREZE double packs. So you're paying $15.50 out of pocket for the 5 items, shaking it out to $3.10 per product. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.